Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue cookies without a mixer. First, let's prepare our egg whites. Carefully separate 3 large egg whites, making sure absolutely no yolk gets into your bowl. A clean, dry glass or metal bowl is essential for successful whipping. Let your egg whites sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This helps them whip up to their maximum volume and achieve a light, airy texture. Now let's get whisking. Start by vigorously whisking your room temperature egg whites by hand. You'll see them become foamy, then gradually form soft peaks. This takes about 5 to 7 minutes of continuous effort. Once soft peaks appear, slowly add 3/4 of a cup of superfine granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whisk. Keep going until the mixture is shiny and holds stiff, unmoving peaks. With your stiff meringue ready, it's time for flavor and shaping. Gently fold in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic taste, or a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar to stabilize the meringue. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This prevents sticking. You can use a piping bag for decorative shapes or simply spoon dollops of meringue onto the sheet, ensuring about 1 inch of space between each cookie. The final step is baking and cooling for perfect crispness. Preheat your oven to a low 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your meringue cookies for approximately 1 to 2 hours, or until they feel completely dry and lift easily from the parchment paper. Once baked, turn off the oven and leave the cookies inside to cool completely. This slow cooling process is crucial for achieving that wonderfully crisp, melt-in-your-mouth texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.